Era 1. Early Earth formation and ancient waters. Before life could emerge, before continents rose, before skies learned to breathe, a planet had to take shape. Not suddenly, not violently alone, but patiently, through fire, pressure, and time. This chapter is early Earth formation and ancient waters. I am the Timekeeper, and this is your history told through my voice. Come, walk with me through time and witness the world as it was meant to be remembered. Now let's open our book of wisdom and I'll show you the full disclosure of it. Segment 1. From cosmic dust to a planet. After the universe formed its first stars and galaxies, matter began to gather. Gravity pulled scattered particles together, slowly shaping vast rotating disks around young stars. Within one such disk, a small region of dust and gas began to thicken. Particles collided, fragments merged, heat intensified. Over millions of years, this growing mass became a planet. Early Earth was not gentle. It was molten, unstable, and violent. A world of fire and impact, still learning how to exist. Yet even in this chaos, structure was forming. The foundations of a living world were being laid. Segment 2. Fire, differentiation, and a solid world. As Earth grew, its interior heated further. Heavy elements sank toward the center, forming a dense metallic core. Lighter materials rose outward, creating the mantle and crust. This process is called planetary differentiation. It gave Earth 3 essential layers: a magnetic core, a dynamic mantle, a fragile surface crust. Ancient cosmology described this differently. It spoke of the Pancha Mahabhuta, the 5 foundational elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. In early Earth, fire dominated, but fire was not destruction alone. It was transformation. Through heat and pressure, the planet became stable enough to hold oceans, atmosphere, and eventually life. Segment 3. The arrival of water. One of Earth's greatest mysteries is its water. How did a fiery, molten planet become covered in oceans? Science offers multiple answers. Some water formed from gases released by volcanic activity. Some arrived later, carried by icy comets and asteroids from the outer reaches of the solar system. Drop by drop, Earth cooled, steam condensed, rain fell for centuries, the surface transformed. Ancient texts describe this moment symbolically. From the waters, the world found its balance. Water was not just a substance, it was the condition for stability. Without water, there is no chemistry. Without chemistry, there is no life. Segment 4. The primordial oceans. The first oceans were not blue and calm. They were dark, mineral-rich, and restless. The atmosphere above them lacked oxygen. The sky was hazy, the land barren. Yet beneath these ancient waters, something extraordinary was happening. Oceans acted as vast chemical laboratories. Heat from Earth's interior, energy from lightning, and minerals from the crust combined within the water. In Hindu cosmology, this stage is associated with the primordial waters. PAs represents not just liquid, but potential. The ocean became the cradle where complexity could begin. Segment 5. Waters as memory and medium. Across ancient cultures, water is linked to origin. Flood myths, cosmic oceans, primordial seas. This is not coincidence. Water dissolves boundaries. It carries energy. It connects systems. In symbolic language, water represents memory, the ability to hold, transmit, and transform information. Even today, life depends on water as the medium for all biological processes. The ancients recognized this intuitively. They placed water between fire and earth, between chaos and structure. Earth became habitable not when it cooled completely, but when it balanced heat with flow. Segment 6. A world ready for life. As oceans stabilized and the crust thickened, Earth entered a new phase. The planet was still hostile, but no longer impossible. Chemical cycles began repeating. Atmospheric layers formed. Energy flowed in predictable patterns. This was not life yet, but it was preparation. The universe had moved from cosmic order to planetary stability to chemical possibility. Earth had become a stage where life could one day appear, not by chance, but by alignment. Before life breathed, the planet learned to breathe. Before organisms formed, the oceans remembered. From fire to water, from chaos to balance, Earth became more than a rock in space. It became a vessel, waiting. In the next chapter, we will see what happens when chemistry begins to awaken,